guys, welcome to Haggard Library, and we're going to be learning about the Teen Street team today. Let's go talk to a few members.
Hi.
Hello, can you tell me what TST is?
Sure. Teen Street Team is a library advisory board made up of 20 selected teens. We meet every month to plan programs for high schoolers, middle schoolers, and elementary schoolers all across Plano.
What do you do in TST?
In TST, we help create ideas for the library advisors to choose from. Out of those ideas, they will choose a couple to turn into programs where we come and help out. Other than that, we do posters, promoters, or book ambassadors. In book ambassadors, you just have to write 2 to 3 blogs about books you've read. Other than that, poster and promoters is where you just have to promote our programs to other kids like ourselves.
What opportunities has TST given you?
I've been able to develop management skills, gain experience in working with others, and meaningfully impact the library. From organizing art programs to even leading my own robotics task force, TST has given me opportunities to make new friends and explore other interests that I otherwise wouldn't have. I would definitely say for any high schoolers and middle schoolers that are interested in helping the library, this is TST is a great program for people that hope to be leaders in the future.
What is your favorite memory from TST?
My favorite memory from TST would probably have to be our Tiny Terrariums program. And in that program, my group and I worked on creating the instructions, and I had a really good time conducting that program and getting to see the kids learning about the environment through a fun project.
Why did you join TST?
I joined TST because I was really just looking for a different way to be involved in my community, and this was a really unique approach to that, and I ended up learning a lot more about my community and library through this program.
I joined TST because I wanted to help in creating children's programs, and it was a really good addition to my college apps.
What advice do you have to give to any upcoming TST member?
The best piece of advice I give to anyone who's interested in joining Teen Street Team is just to apply. TST is a great place for you to learn leadership skills, so even if you have no experience working in the library, as long as you're ready to learn and work with the team, and that's all that matters. Opportunities like this do not come around often, so I highly encourage everyone to apply.